Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix DirectX errors, then let's look at the following solution. So the first solution is obviously to download DirectX and reinstall it again. So how do we do that? We go to the browser, then we search for download DirectX, and we click here on the download button. So this is the DirectX website, and we click on the download button, or we can go to the Microsoft website also and download. And once this downloads, then you can install from the folder. Now the next solution, if this doesn't work, is the SFC scan. So how do we do that? We look for command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we enter the command sfc space slash SCANNOW and press enter. That should resolve this issue. Now, if this also doesn't resolve the issue, the last solution that we have is we update the graphics drivers. So we do that by looking for device manager and look for display adapters. Now this is my graphics driver. I right click and I press on update driver. This should resolve this DirectX error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.